Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for role-playing. To begin, open your browser and go to Claude AI Sign In. If you are searching from a search engine, simply select the Claude Sign In page from the results. Once you arrive there, log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can sign up first and then continue. This part is important because you will need access to the chat interface before you can start building a role-playing prompt. After signing in, look to the left side menu and click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation, which is the best place to start when you want Claude to focus clearly on a specific scenario. Starting with a new chat also helps keep your instructions organized and separate from any earlier conversations. Now you can begin typing what you want to achieve in your roleplay. This is where you tell Claude what kind of interaction, scene, or outcome you want. Try to be clear about the role, the setting, and the tone you want the AI to follow. The more specific your instructions are, the easier it is for Claude to respond in a way that feels useful and realistic. For example, you might describe a creative role-playing task, such as having Claude act like a YouTube-style vlog scriptwriter who explores places, tries local food, and shares the experience with an audience in a fun and realistic way. This gives Claude a clear identity and direction. When writing your own prompt, focus on what Claude should act as, what the scenario is, and what kind of result you want it to produce. Once your prompt is ready, click the arrow up button on the right side of the text box to generate the response. Claude will then create the role-play output based on your instructions. Give it a moment to respond, and then read through the result carefully. After the response appears, you can edit or refine the generated script or information. If something feels too generic or not quite right, adjust your prompt and try again. This is a normal part of the process, and small changes can make a big difference in quality. As a final tip, remember that the more detailed your role and scenario are, the more realistic and useful the role play becomes. Strong prompts usually include context, style, and purpose. With a little practice, you can create role-playing outputs that feel much more natural, focused, and effective.